This is how to share a calendar in Google Calendar. So let's get started. First, open Google Calendar and on the left, come to the calendar which you'd want to share. So if I want to share this one, I'll click on the three dots next to it and then click on Settings and Sharing. Then here you'll find an option, Shared With. So currently it isn't shared with anyone, but to add someone, click on Add People and Groups. And here enter the email ID or name of the person you'd want to share it with. So I've added one for now, and like this, I can add more. After that, you have to set the permission for this user. So these are the different permissions. First is to only see when you're free or busy. Second is to see all event details. Third is to allow them to make changes to events. And fourth is complete access. They can make changes and manage sharing. So from top to bottom, the level of access keeps increasing. Select whichever you want and click on Send. And now it's shared. Over here, you'll get a list of all accounts you've shared with and the permission which they have. And you can always edit the permissions from here and delete them if you want to. Is how to get a shareable link. So if you click on this icon, then this is a link you can share with others, and anyone who has access to the calendar can use this link to reach the calendar. So you can copy it and share it with them. They also have more settings, like if you want to make it public or more details related to events. But that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.